A quick unboxing from American Science and Surplus. I haven't ordered from them before. I kind of like their t-shirt and some of their other items. They got some strange items. Their prices aren't too terribly crazy. They're not as bad as Edmund. Kind of a similar company to Edmund Scientific, I suppose. I bought some wire glue. No soldering. I got a project this might help me for. I want to do some electrostatic experiments, electrostatic tweeter experiments. And this might be part of that. And what did I buy here? Oh, this Universal. This is like a $20 item, but it had a. Let's see if I got my money's worth. I kind of want the packet for maybe a bicycle repair kit or something else kind of small. I mainly bought it because it's got hemos. Yeah, it's not bad at all. I mainly bought it for the hemo. It's got a curved hemo and a straight hemo. Hemostats. Forceps they call them. A little flashlight. That's cool. I guess it's a flashlight. Interesting. Dead flashlight? Oh, it's got a little protector. That's nice. Anywho, it's got some other nice little tools for sewing up people in the field. Huge needle. Oh man. Hate to be sewed up with that thing. And bandage cutting tools and a couple tweezers. Yeah, it's worth the $20, I think. And some other first aid stuff. Cool. See if I ever make use of this. But probably for a bicycle, probably some first aid and repair stuff in there. This is a interesting little board. It's got a comparator on it. It was fairly inexpensive. I bought it as a curiosity. See if I can reuse the comparator, or the whole board actually. Captain tape. This may also be part of my electrostatic project. And as well as these gaskets. I'm looking for, if anybody knows the source, I'm looking for rings kind of like these, but made of a harder material, high voltage material. It'd be nice if I could find these pre-made in acrylic or ABS or something like that. It's a 2-inch ID. Anybody have any ideas on what I could use for rings like this, made of a hard material, a high voltage resistant material? Yeah, I need some hard plastic rings, kind of like these soft ones. And they had electrical tape deals. They choose the color. I got 2 blacks and something for more colorful colors. That's okay. And these I bought just for wire. And the connectors, they weren't very expensive. I kind of like this red-black twin lead. I wish I had a whole roll of it somewhere. Kind of convenient. And kind of one of the reasons I made the order is these vice pads were on sale. Pretty good deal for $7-8, something like that. And that's it, except for the t-shirts. Another reason I made the order, because I kind of like the t-shirt. It was a pretty good deal. And actually t-shirts, that are advertising somebody's business, I think should be a good deal. I can't see paying, $22 to advertise somebody's business. But this is only like $10 t-shirt. That's pretty nice. And that's it for this unboxing. I'm doing fewer unboxings. I lost my relationship with Amazon. I set up a relationship with Amazon when I was doing my kit.com. I'm still a member of kit.com, and I'm still going to maintain kit.com. I can't really make any money out of it, though, at present. My channels are nowhere near big enough for me to really even do Patreon. I'm probably going to be on Patreon, though, need to set up an account there mainly to support other channels. But also Kit.com, which I do have an account on, has been bought by Patreon. So I'm kind of surprised I haven't heard anything from Kit or Patreon via email for quite a long time. You know, if Patreon was handling this properly, they would have a way for us to add Patreon into our Kit measure, you know, directly a button from Kit to add on to Patreon, you know, so I could apply to Patreon and have the same account linked together, you know, automatically and easy with, they want you to write and request, and I was like, oh, come on. So anyway, maybe eventually I'll be on Patreon anyway. But yeah, my Amazon partnership thing, I didn't get enough sales. I don't know if I got any sales through my Kit.com last year, so they dumped me. So now I can't really make anything off Kit.com. So if I keep it up, it's just to as a service for you guys, for the ease of finding stuff, rather than having to put all the links in my descriptions every time.